Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best satin black wrap is probably one of the most exciting ways to give your car a fresh new look. It's a fantastic alternative to a full paint job, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic with a smooth, satin finish. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of vinyl wrapping, exploring its benefits, and guiding you through everything you need to know to achieve a professional-looking result. Number 5. 3M 2080S12 Satin Black Vinyl Wrap. Introducing the 3M 2080 Satin Black Vinyl Wrap, designed for DIY installers. This premium vinyl film is perfect for updating the look of your vehicle, offering both durability and a sleek satin finish. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to refresh their car's style. This wrap features invisible air channels, making installation easy and bubble-free. The air release technology ensures a smooth finish, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer. You'll get a pristine look in no time. The 3M vinyl is a dual-cast film with control-tack and comply adhesive systems. This provides improved conformability and cold stretch. It's designed to fit every part of your vehicle, from the interior to the exterior. This wrap isn't just for cars, it's perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and more. It protects against scratches, UV rays, and water. It's a customizable and protective layer for your valuable assets. Each purchase includes an Revinyl Quick Guide installation flyer. This wrap is available in a wide range of colors and finishes. It's the top choice for car enthusiasts and professionals, representing high performance and aesthetics. What we like. This wrap features air release technology, making installation a breeze and ensuring a bubble-free finish. It's designed for both durability and aesthetics, perfect for updating your vehicle's look. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a professional-grade finish, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Excellent wrap and very easy to feel like a pro. The shrink rate with heat allows weird curves and corner. The initial tack isn't so strong that you can't reposition it, which is nice. Once you get it where you want it, put some more heat AHD squeegee it down. The material was relatively easy to work with. When the time came, the stickers were fairly easy to separate from the backing and adhered to the textured surface well. Cutting and installation was super easy, giving a professional look at DIY value. Number 4. 3M 2080 Satin Black Vinyl Wrap Kit. This automotive cast vinyl protects your paint from scratches and wear. It's designed to be easily repositioned and stretched for a perfect fit, conforming to all edges and contours. Creases and air bubbles are easily removed with heat and a squeegee. The material is designed for easy application, ensuring a smooth finish. Each kit comes with a free tool gift set to assist with the installation process. This ensures you have everything you need to get started right away. The vinyl will not harm painted surfaces and leaves no adhesive residue. It's designed for easy repositioning during installation, giving you flexibility. For optimal results, use 3M Primer 94 and 3M Edge Sealer. These products promote adhesion and extend the life of the vinyl, unlike cheaper films. The new 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 features a protective film layer on all gloss films. This layer reduces surface impressions and scratches during installation. Remember to remove it after the installation is complete. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for chrome delete and window trim applications, offering paint protection. It's easy to reposition during installation and won't leave residue. If you are looking to give your car a sleek, modern look and protect your paint, it's a great option. What people say. This tape was really easy to use and, in my opinion, worth the cost above other brands. It sticks very well to chrome after a good cleaning with alcohol and tucks nicely under the weather stripping as long as you plan the amount of overhang just right. The 3M material feels thicker but is more flexible, requiring no heat to follow the contours of my windows. Number 3. 3M 2080 Blackout Trim Wrap Kit. This kit uses durable, high-quality vinyl. It's designed to last and help you maintain your vehicle's appearance. The flexible material is easy to adjust during application. Choose from matte, satin, or gloss black finishes. This allows you to customize your vehicle's look to your exact preferences. It's a simple way to give your car a unique style. The kit includes all the essential accessories. It comes with a squeegee, vinyl material, and a razor blade. You'll have everything you need to change your car's trim. You don't need a professional to apply this. Save money by doing it yourself with the included tools and simple instructions. You can avoid creases and bumps with ease. The stretchy and flexible material easily conforms to any trim shape. It allows for a flawless application, no matter the size or shape of your vehicle's trim. What we like. This kit is made from high-quality, durable vinyl that will last for years. It comes with all the essential accessories, making the application process easy. If you want to change your vehicle's trim without hiring a professional, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This product is easy to work with. I just applied the vinyl with lateral tension and pressed from the center with the wrap gloves. The adhesion seems secure. Number 2. 3M 2080S12 Satin Black Car Wrap Vinyl Film. This is the 3M 2080S12 Satin Black Car Wrap Vinyl Film. It's designed to give your car a sleek, satin black finish. This film is a great way to customize your vehicle. With a little patience, this film can be applied to extreme curved surfaces. When heated and stretched, it becomes more flexible. This allows it to conform to complex shapes. The film is manufactured with 2 color layers. This construction provides dimensional stability and ensures durability. It's built to last and withstand the elements. Once applied, you can clean and polish it. You can use any cleaning agent that is typically used for painted surfaces. This makes maintenance simple and straightforward. The Rapid Air Adhesive is designed for easy application. It needs to be applied dry and can be relifted, repositioned, and stretched. This allows for a perfect finish. What we like. This wrap can be applied to extreme curved surfaces with a little patience. It's manufactured with 2 color layers for dimensional stability and durability. If you're looking for a wrap that can handle complex shapes and is easy to maintain, it's a great choice. What people say. Easy to apply and remove. I've used this inside the car and outside the car with no issues. This is a professional quality product. Number 1. 3M 2080S12 Satin Black Vinyl Wrap. This is a premium vinyl film made especially for DIY installers. It's designed for both durability and aesthetics, perfect for anyone wanting to update the color and style of their vehicles. Invisible air channels make installation easier, giving you bubble-free results quickly. This car wrap material is easy to apply, allowing both DIY enthusiasts and professionals to achieve a pristine finish. This is a dual-cast, 3.5mm thick vinyl film with control-tack and comply adhesive systems. It improves conformability and cold stretch. The high-quality materials are designed to fit every part of your vehicle. It's perfect for wrapping your vehicle, motorcycle, ATV, UTV, boat, or any hard surface. This wrap provides protection against scratches, UV rays, and water, making it ideal for cars and boats. An Vinyl Quick Guide installation flyer is included with every purchase. This is a versatile solution for a variety of automotive applications. It is available in a wide range of colors and finishes to match your style. What we like. This wrap features air release technology, making installation a breeze and ensuring a bubble-free finish. It's designed for both durability and aesthetics, perfect for updating your vehicle's look. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a professional-grade finish, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This product is easy to cut and work with and provides a durable, easy-to-clean finish. Remember to wrap as much as possible without more than 10% stretch. Then warm to stretch within insets and curves. Nice and thick, self-healing and durable. I know it's durable because I wrapped my grill with it more than a month ago and no damage so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.